Gravity Forms has a handy save and continue feature that lets your users save their progress on a form and return to it later. This feature is especially useful when you're dealing with lengthier forms as it increases the chances of users actually completing them. Setup is a breeze. Simply head to your form settings and toggle on the Save and Continue option. Keep in mind that any saved form data will be stored on your site's server. To protect potentially sensitive information, be sure the page hosting the form uses a secure connection before enabling this feature. You have the option to customize the link text if needed, then simply save your settings. Once you have enabled the Save and Continue functionality, you'll notice extra confirmation and notification message templates. These can be edited and configured to your liking. Now when a user fills out your form, they'll have the option to save their progress and receive an email with a link to return and complete it at a later time. Links are valid for 30 days. If you'd like to customize the expiration date, we have a filter that you can place in your functions.php file. For more information on how to use this filter, check out our docs site, linked below. That's all for this video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips on all things Gravity Forms.